Alright students, in this video we will be doing more of the examples to understand the addition and the subtraction of whole numbers. So in this question we will be doing the addition of numbers that are up till 3 place values. ठीक है, तो that means कि हम 100 तक numbers को add करेंगे. Let's read this question together and practice the sum of addition. Ali got rupees 321 on Eid. Sarah got rupees 54 on Eid. How much money did both Ali and Sarah get on Eid? That means they are asking कि दोनों के पास कितने पैसे थे इकट्ठे, मतलब अगर हम करें तो that means कि हमने क्या करना है, we are going to do the addition in this question. ठीक है, so let's move over here and let's make a place value chart. ठीक है, जिसमें हम मेंशन करेंगे कि फर्स्ट वैल्यूज जो है वो क्या होती हैं, वंस होती हैं, देन कम्स द टेंस, ठीक है, देन कम्स द 100. Alright, and now we are going to place the both values, that is 321. तो इधर 1 जो है it's going to be in ones, tens में आएगा 2 और 3 जो आएगा वो hundreds में आएगा. इसी तरह if we look at Sarah's payment या Sarah's money, तो वो आएगा 54. तो 4 is going to be on ones place, 5 is going to be on tens place, and notice that there is nothing over here at the hundreds place. So क्योंकि ये 2 digit number है, so we are just going to mention 0 over here for the sake of our addition. हम सिर्फ addition करने के लिए यहाँ 0 mention कर सकते हैं. Remember, जो भी number के left side पे 0 mention करेंगे, it doesn't have any value. It's just for doing the addition part of the question. Alright, let's add all the numbers together. 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 0 is 3. That's right. Whenever we add anything in the number 0, the answer is the number itself. So we write over here 3. Alright, so let's write our answer in the form of sentence, and that is Ali and Sarah got 375 rupees on Eid. Alright, so this is the answer for our question. Let's move on to the next example. So in this example we will be adding 4 digit numbers. ठीक है, तो हम इस चीज से we are not going to be scared of it. We are simply going to make a place value chart over here in which we are going to mention ones, we are going to mention tens, hundreds, and the last is thousands. ठीक है, सबसे पहले we will write the bigger value. Remember, जब भी आप addition करते हो या आप subtraction करते हो, always write the biggest value. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पर लिखते हैं जी सबसे पहले 7, then comes 3 at the place of 10, then come 1, that is 100, and that is 6 at the 1000 place. इसी तरह हम we are going to add the second number, and that is 2622. So 2 is going to be at the 2 ones place, 2 is going to be at tens place, 6 is going to be at hundreds place, and the last one is 2 is going to be at 1000 place. Remember, we have to do the addition, so we'll put the sign over here of addition, and let's do it together. What is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 is 8 and 9. So write over here 9. 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? Yes, that is 5. What is 6 plus 1? It's 7. What is 6 plus 2? It is 8. So the answer for adding 4 digit numbers and 4 digit number is 8759. So you see guys, if we draw this place value chart, we will be able to do the addition more quickly. Let's move on to the next example, in which we are going to add 5-digit numbers into 5-digit numbers. Let's not get scared of it, and let's draw the chart. First of all, हम यहाँ पे ones लिखेंगे, then we write tens, then we'll write के hundreds आते हैं, then we'll write के thousands आता है number, और फिर आता है 10,000. alright. अच्छा जी, सबसे पहले we'll write the bigger number and that is 43,152. तो यहाँ पे हम 2 mention करेंगे ones की place में, then we'll mention 5, then we'll mention 1, 1000 की place में 3, and then we'll mention 4. इसी तरह 12,446 में हम क्या करेंगे, we will mention 6 as ones, we'll mention 4, then comes 4, then comes 2, and then comes 1. Let's do the addition of these numbers that are 5-digit numbers. ठीक है, तो 2 plus 6 कितने होते हैं, 7, 8. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखते 7, 8. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे नंबर 8. What is 5 plus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 4 lines and these are 5 lines. तो इन lines को हम इकट्ठा count कर लेंगे, तो it becomes 9, and it is the easiest way for counting and adding the numbers. What is 4 plus 1? Yes, that is 5. इस तरह हम 3 को 2 में ऐड करेंगे, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. तो क्या आता है, 3, 4, 5. So we'll just erase this ताकि हमें कोई confusion ना हो while adding the numbers. It was a rough work that I wanted you guys to know कि किस तरह हम quickly दो numbers को add कर सकते हैं. 3 plus 2 is also 5, and 4 plus 1 is very simple, that is 5. So in this case, we know that the 10,000 value is 5, 1000 value is also 5, 100 value is also 5, 10's value is 9, and 1's value is 8. So how will we write it over here? The answer over here will be 55,000. ठीक है, 598 is the answer of this question. I hope you guys have learned how to add the numbers very quickly using the place value chart. See you guys in the next video.